Agricultural production in North America is incredibly diverse. The film Agriculture in the USA explores large farms and contractors in 13 US states, revealing unique insights. In this independent two-part production, filmmakers Jörn and Tammo Gläser travelled across prime agricultural regions of the United States. Filming took place during soil cultivation, sowing and harvesting in locations including the vast plains of Montana, the Corn Belt of the Midwest, and the agricultural regions of California and Arizona. Agriculture in the USA showcases some of the world's most massive agricultural machines in action, delivering spectacular scenes of fieldwork and landscapes across North America's most advanced farming regions. The two-part film, with a total running time of 200 minutes, is available as a 4K video stream or on DVD.